Sejal. So Valentine's Day is coming up and I thought of doing a very different kind of video on my channel. Since I am a growing individual, I'm 26 now, I've gone through a bunch of relationships in life, had friendships, romantic relationships, work relationship with my parents, and it's all changed and evolved. I've been doing a lot of thinking and introspecting lately, and my perspective on love has also changed a lot this year. I've been meditating, especially lockdown के time पे इतना time होता है to think what is it to be like in love? What does that actually mean? What is a perfect relationship? Literally मेरे age के लोग आजकल शादी कर रहे हैं all the time. Jokingly, people also keep telling me that Joy ki shaadi, and I'm just like, no. I've been thinking a lot about all of this stuff, so I thought it'd be fun to get 3 generations, my grandparents, my parents, and myself, to give their perspective about love. So let's begin. If you guys enjoy this video, find it cute, find it different, please subscribe, like, comment below, and let's begin.
हमारे टाइम में तो हमें पता भी नहीं था व्हाट इज वैलेंटाइंस डे. आई थिंक दिस इज वेरी रीसेंट फेस्टिवल.
बिल्कुल पता था, मुझे नहीं पता था. आई ऑलवेज एक्सपेक्टेड यू टू डू समथिंग व्हिच यू नेवर डिड.
वैलेंटाइन डे वाले दिन जिसको तुम सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार करते हो उसको गिफ्ट देनी है.
वैलेंटाइन डे ये होता है एक दूसरे से प्यार है, चाहे हस्बैंड वाइफ का हो, चाहे बेटी और बाप का प्यार हो, चाहे बहन का प्यार हो.
Honestly, I have never really cared too much about it unless I'm dating someone. Then it's just like a fun, oh, let's go on a date today, आज कुछ fun करते हैं. Otherwise, it means nothing to me. Like, it's just any other random day.
और क्या?
अरेंज मैरिज हुई थी और हम लोग जो है शादी से पहले देखा भी नहीं था, और फिर उसके बाद जो है हम लोग जब शादी करके गए अपने घर, तो तब जो है एक दूसरे को
आजकल के लोग तो है कि माँ बाप की पसंद नहीं है, लड़की लड़के को पसंद है, लड़का लड़की को पसंद करता है.
मेरे को तो वो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि बच्चे जो है अपनी मर्जी से कुछ भी करे.
माँ बाप को बुजुर्गों को दखल नहीं देना चाहिए.
Love marriage versus arranged marriage. Firstly, I don't even know. I don't know, man. Like, I have no idea. It's so weird. I still feel I'm 18 mentally, but an auntie also, because I've been working for so many years and carrying this whole like YouTube startup on my tiny shoulders. Forget love, but I think that understanding and acceptance of the other person is really important. I don't think I can do an arranged marriage, although I don't judge people who do it, because for some people उनका scenario अलग होता है, उनके families ऐसा चाहते हैं, they don't have anyone to marry and they want to marry. So good for them, and great parties. If I get invited, that's great.
बताओ, तुम बताओ. Pause.
A feeling when you know that someone is there for you without you having to think about it.
वही है, हमारे टाइम का तो लव ऐसे ही होता था कि you have to be always present in the background.
When I was a kid, वो feeling होती है ना when you like someone and oh, your crush likes you back. It's the craziest feeling because you feel butterflies all the time. You feel this like crazy rush. तुम हंसते रहते हो and you're always like in this weird. You're too conscious of yourself. I think that's the thing. You're really conscious of yourself when that person is around. If by any miracle of God you guys start dating, it's so strange. You're so conscious. You don't even talk to that person. And then once you get a little bit older, maybe say a few words to each other, and if you guys break up, then it just feels really bad. I had read somewhere that people compare love with drugs, that how the rush is amazing, but once it's cut off, you have withdrawal symptoms. I know that's very dark, and I thought being in love and being in a relationship is always about having that crazy rush wala feeling. But I think as I've grown up a little bit, it's been more about accepting the other person for who they are. That's how it is with my friends, and I always think of it that way. With my friends, I don't care if they're not the most perfect person on the planet. I'm okay with Khyati ऐसी है तो ऐसी है. I love her for that, you know. It's just like expectations ज़्यादा हो जाती हैं because of the movies that we've seen. Oh, my Prince Charming, घोड़े पे आएगा, and like he's good looking and like dashing and like perfect at everything. But no human is perfect at everything.
प्यार को चीज नहीं होती, आत्मा से लगाव, लगन कि मेरा इसके अंदर खींचा हुआ है. अपने मतलब का मतलब नहीं होना चाहिए।
सच्चे दिल से प्यार करो। गर्ल फ्रेंड्स, बॉयज फ्रेंड्स, सब फ्रेंड्स एक ही माने जाते हैं।
6th 7th ऐसे मतलब वो काउंट नहीं होता, वो स्टूपिड होता है, यू डोंट इवन टॉक टू ईच अदर। बट आई थिंक माई फर्स्ट रियल रिलेशनशिप वुड बी इन maybe like 17 or something. Earlier it was all about कि जो भी मेरे life में problems आ रहे हैं, this one person is my best friend, my confidant for everything. I'm going to dump everything on that person, and that person's going to dump all of their stuff on me. And if I want to hang out with someone, that's my go-to person, basically my go-to person for everything. But I think that's really draining for that person and for me as well. Now I feel I need to work on myself as an individual, and then that person needs to work on themselves as an individual. This is more important. I need to soothe myself and my anxieties and my stuff on my own. If I feel like I can't do it on my own, then I'll reach out to other people. I definitely don't want to try to change anyone. I do have those moments where I feel like, oh, I don't like this about you and I want to change it. But that's not okay, because I should accept that person for who they are. And I think I'm growing towards that now as I'm getting older.
For young people, I would advise, I don't like this idea of young generation getting married so late. And it's not necessary that, you first focus on your career and then say, nahi, main tab baad mein shaadi karunga.
It's important to find the right person. Now, whether it happens at 23, like it happened with us, or it happens at 30, or it may not even happen at 35. Just because you have to get married, it's not right. Of course, it's a good idea. I, being a doctor, I know biologically also it's important to get married for a lot of things at the right age. But it's important to find that right person.
जो होता है दिखावा नहीं होना चाहिए, अंदर से दिल से होना चाहिए, और माँ बाप को बीच में नहीं आना चाहिए।
पहले ज़माने में तलाक वगैरह होता ही नहीं था। आजकल जो है तलाक तो खेल समझ लिया है बच्चों ने। जरा सी बात होती है तलाक।
I'm young too. I have no advice. Like, live your life. Do whatever, YOLO, because हर experience ज़रूरी होता है. Every experience will teach you something. It'll also make for a good story. What am I doing on Valentine's Day? I don't know. I probably will just go out for coffee, wear my mask, put lots of sanitizer. That's it. And I'm happy with that. That sounds fun. That's my ideal fun day.
वैलेंटाइन के दिन हम अब क्या बुढ़ापे में करेंगे वैलेंटाइन डे?
एक दूसरे गुलाब का फूल देंगे।
Okay, what are you gifting me on Valentine's Day now that you know that we have a Valentine's
वो
Day?
तो सरप्राइज है।
So yeah guys, this was it. This was a very random, very different kind of video on my channel, just to give you more of what's in my head and how I'm evolving as a person. So hope you guys found this different, relatable. Maybe you're at a similar stage. Please leave what's up with you in the comments below. I'd love to know, and what stage of life you're in. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, share, bell button, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
खाली खाली